If you have a newer MacBook and the lack of legacy ports still bothers you, then you'll be interested in this, the Unitek Ultra Slim Multi-Port Hub. There are plenty of high-speed desktop hubs available, and we've looked at a few examples in previous videos, although if you're after something small and portable to complement your MacBook, then the Unitek multi-port hub could be exactly what you need. Specifically designed for Apple MacBooks from 2016 onwards with the USB C port arrangement, weighing just over an ounce thanks to that overall lightweight yet robust aluminum construction, the Unitek hub is small and light, at only 120mm on its longest side and 27mm in width, making it very portable and easy to slip into your laptop bag. With some branding on the top side, there's not much more to see other than the cluster of available ports on one side and the two USB C Thunderbolt 3 ports on the opposite, which slide neatly into the side of your MacBook. So although we've covered 2 of the MacBook ports, we've in effect converted 2 ports into 5. Starting from the bottom up, we find a gigabit Ethernet port, alongside 2 standard USB 3 ports, perfect for peripherals or small USB storage devices. Although bear in mind these are Gen 1 ports, so speeds of 5 gigabits per second are achievable, which is still plenty enough for small flash drives or most portable storage solutions. Moving up, we have a USB C port which is compatible with Thunderbolt 3 devices too, while also allowing 100 watts power delivery, so can be used as a charging port as well. When used with external storage devices, it supports full 40 gigabits per second Thunderbolt 3 data transfer, and yes, it can be used to attach external displays as well, with monitors up to 5K 60Hz being supported too. And if one external display wasn't enough, then a HDMI port in the top of the hub allows for a second display, up to UHD resolutions being compatible. There's not much more to say about a hub like this. Throughout testing, all ports have worked perfectly well, no problems at all, and it covers the basic array of ports most are missing with the newer MacBooks. Although an SD card reader would have been a perfect addition to really finish the unit off. Otherwise, if you're after a small, portable and functional hub, then the Unitek multi-port hub comes well recommended.